Cardio is known to be very useful and beneficial in a number of ways, one of which includes improving heart health. However, there are some other things that have been constantly attributed with cardio exercises that do not exactly tell the truth. Whether it's with losing weight or burning calories, or improving your gains better than many other exercises, science has proven that the case is different, and you might actually not gain as much as you expect with cardio exercises. In today's video, we'll be taking you through 7 things nobody tells you about cardio. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Cardio is not very beneficial for fat loss. Perhaps the most common belief that can be associated with cardio is that it can help you burn fat at a faster rate than other strength training exercises. However, scientists have found that this is not true, and what you'll get at best is more or less the same thing as with other exercises. In a meta-analysis of 14 studies that involved over 1,840 overweight and obese people, results showed that cardio only brought about a modest reduction in weight, and because of this, it cannot be relied on as an effective weight loss exercise option. Number 2. There is nothing like a fat-burning zone. Another common myth associated with cardio is what is called the fat-burning zone. It's believed that when you exercise at a range of between 50 to 75% of your maximum heart rate, which is the fat-burning zone, you're more likely to burn fat at a faster rate. However, it turns out that there's no truth to it, and in fact, there is nothing such as a fat-burning zone because your fat loss doesn't depend on your heart rate during an exercise. Number 3. Too much cardio can shorten your lifespan. Just like with every other exercise, when practiced excessively, too much cardio also possesses a mortality risk as it can shorten one's lifespan. Too much of the exercise has also been attributed with problems of the joint as well as the heart, and this particularly is the reason why you should exercise in moderation. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to the channel for exercise tips to help you maximize your gains. Number 4. Cardio doesn't help you burn calories at a faster rate. While it's believed that you're more likely to burn more calories compared to the amount you burn from strength training exercises, science has proven that cardio doesn't burn as much as you think. In a study that compared 30 minutes of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, weight training, and a steady-state cardio workout separately, it was found that there was no difference in energy expenditure between weight training and cardio. And people are even likely to burn more calories by performing HIIT with a hydraulic resistance system instead. Number 5. Cardio can reduce strength gains. When you're more focused on cardio and you neglect the other important aspects required to maximize your gains, you're more likely to see a reduction in your strength gains or the muscles developed. Balancing your cardio effects with other healthy choices like eating healthy can prevent this from happening, and you should also never overdo it. Number 6. Cardio can impair muscle growth. Just as it can reduce your strength gains, should you fail to incorporate healthy practices to add to your workouts, cardio has also been found to impair muscle growth. In the meta-analysis studying the effects of combining cardio and resistance training on muscle growth, results showed that adding cardio coupled with resistance training can reduce growth effect size by 39%. The thing about this though, is that the study is flawed and scientists only focused on the reduction of lower body strength gains when combined with lower body forms of cardio. Number 7. Cardio can cause constrained energy expenditure. In another research on cardio as related with energy expenditure, results showed that if you burn more of one substrate during a cardio session, you'll burn less of it over the next 24 hours. This also confirmed that doing cardio exercises can lower cardio expenditure in the hours after you're done with your routine. Despite not being as reliable for weight loss, burning of calories, and improving strength gains as first thought, cardio does a fine job of improving cardiovascular function and promoting a better overall health. What are your experiences with cardio? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out the biggest muscle building myth ever, micro tears.